Let, let's try to solve question number 7. Solution. Okay. So if cot theta is equal to 7 by 8, given cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. Cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. And so let's draw a triangle. And suppose this is A, this is B, this is C, and suppose this is theta. Let ABC be a triangle. Let ABC be a triangle. ABC be a right angle triangle. Be a right angled triangle. Right angled triangle at right angle at B. Therefore, from triangle ABC, therefore, triangle ABC cot theta is equal to BC by BA. Okay, and what is the value of cot theta? It is cot theta is equal to 7 by 8 is equal to KSA. Okay, that means BC is equal to 7K and BA is equal to 8K. So this is 7K, this is 8K. According to Pythagoras theorem, according to Pythagoras theorem, S square is equal to BA square plus BC square. The value of BA is 8K, therefore 8K whole square. Value of BC is 7K, therefore 7K whole square. So it will be 64K square plus 49K square. So ultimately it will be 113K square. Therefore AC will be K root over 113. So it is K root over 113. Okay. So now let me take different color. Now you have to write here, as I don't have space, so I have to write here. You will just write, while writing in copy, you will just write below this. Okay. So now sin theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. The value of perpendicular is what? The value of perpendicular is 8K. Hypotenuse is K root over 1. So ultimately it will be 8 by root over 1. And what is the value of cos theta? Value of cos theta is B by H. That means 7K by K root over 113. Okay. So ultimately it will be 7 by root over 1. Now let's question number 1. It is 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Okay. So if we simplify this, what can we write? 1% either is a plus b into a minus b. That means a square minus b square. That means 1 square minus sin square theta. That means 1 square means 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin square theta. And it is also a plus b into a minus b. That means a plus b into a minus b means what? A square minus b square. That means 1 square minus 4 square theta. 1 square minus 4 square theta. So now it can be written as 1 minus the value of sin theta means what? 8 by root over 113, and value of cos theta 1 minus 7 by root over 113. Okay, so ultimately it will be what? And square of this. So ultimately it will be 1 minus 64 by 113, 1 minus 41 by 11. Now if you simplify, it will be 113 minus 64 by 113 into 113 by 113 minus 49. So ultimately it will be 49 by 64. Okay, so this is the value of 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Now let's try to find the value of cos square theta. So here sin theta by cos theta, what will be the sin theta by cos theta? Sin theta by cos theta, that means, sorry, directly, let me write directly instead of, let me directly from the figure. Let me write directly from the figure. So cos theta will be what? Cos theta will be base by perpendicular. So 7k by 8k, ultimately it is 49 cot square theta. So sorry, here it is cot square theta. Here it is cot theta. Here it is cot theta. Okay, ultimately it will be 7 by 8k. Ultimately it will be 7 by 8k. Sorry, 7 by 8. Ultimately it is 7 by 8. Now number 2, it says cot square theta. Cot square theta. That means what? 7 by 8 whole square. So ultimately it is 49 by 64. See, actually if we simplify this, we will get cot theta. But you know, for this we have to use the formula sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, which is not in, which we shall find in next chapter. Okay, so this is the solution of question number 7, Roman 1 and Roman 2. This is the solution of question number 7, Roman 1 and Roman 2. Is it clear? Okay, now let's move on to next question. Question number 8. So here again, write solution, and here draw a triangle. This is suppose A, this is B, and this is C. So here let ABC be a right angle triangle. ABC be a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle at angle B. Right angle triangle at angle B. So this is our right angle triangle at angle B. So here given that thrice cot A is equal to 4. This implies cot A is equal to 4 by 3. Now, if you look at the triangle, so what is the cot A? Cot A means base by perpendicular. That means BA by BC. BA by BC is equal to 4 by 3, and suppose is equal to KSA. That means we can say that BA is equal to 4K. BA is equal to 4K, and BC is equal to thrice K. Okay. So now According to Pythagoras theorem, according to Pythagoras theorem, according to Pythagoras theorem, according to Pythagoras theorem, what can we write? We can write like this: s square is equal to bc square plus b square. So bc square is thrice k whole square plus 4k whole square. So ultimately it will be 9k square plus 16k square. That means 25k square. That means SE will be what? Is equal to 5k. The value of SE is 5k. Value of BA is 4k and value of BC is 3k. Okay. Now LHS. What is our LHS? It is 1 minus 10 square A. 1 minus 10 square A by 1 plus 10 square A. Now let's just put those value of 10 in this here. So 1 minus, what is the value of 10? So we have not find the value of 10. So here 10m is what? 10m, you should just write the below, then you should write this. 10m is what? Perpendicular by base. That means thrice k by 4k. Thrice k by 4k. That means ultimately it is 3 by 4. So what is the value of now cos A? Cos A means base by hypotenuse. Now what is our base? Is 4k by 5k. That means 4 by 5. That means 4 by 5. Now what is the value of sin A? Sin A means perpendicular by hypotenuse. What is perpendicular? Thrice k by 5k. So it is equal to 3 by 5. So now what is the value of 10A? It is 3 by 4 whole square. What is the value of 10? 1 plus 3 by 4 whole square. So now if you just simplify this, what can we get? If we just simplify, you can get that 1 minus 9 by 16 and 1 plus 9 by 16. What now? It will be 16 minus 9 by 16 into 16 by 16 plus 9. So ultimately 16 and 16 will get cancelled out. So ultimately it will be 16 minus 9, that means 7, and 16 minus plus 25. Now RHS. What is RHS? Let's check the value of RHS. Now RHS is what? Cos square A minus sin square A. Cos square A minus sin square A. Now the value of cos A is 4 by 5. Value of cos A is 4 by 5. Cos square, and value of sin A is 3 by 5. Value of sin A is 3 by 5 cos square. So it will be ultimately what? 16 by 25 minus 9 by 25. Now LCM is 25. Now LCM is 25. That means 16 minus 9. Ultimately it will be what? 7 by 25. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. Therefore we can say that 1 minus 10 square A by 1 plus 10 square A equal to what? Cos square A minus sin square A. Cos square A minus sin square A. Okay. So this is the solution of this problem. Still, if you have any doubt, you can write it on my WhatsApp number and I shall clarify it again. Okay. So, or you can write it in the comment box. Okay. So I shall solve for you like this. So this is question number 8. Earlier I have solved question number 7. This is question number 8. Now let's move on to question number 9. So question number 9. Solution. So in a triangle ABC, let's draw this triangle. In a triangle ABC. Okay, in a triangle ABC, this is our B, right angle at B side. That means this is our right angle at B. This is suppose A and this is suppose C. So given 10A is equal to what? 1 by root 3. 10A is equal to 1 by root 3. Now from the figure, what can you say? From the figure, you can say that 10M is what? Perpendicular by perpendicular. This is perpendicular and base is perpendicular by 10M is perpendicular by base. BA by BC. BA by BC is equal to 1 by root over 3. Suppose is equal to K. Okay, say. So that means BA is equal to K and BC is equal to root over 3k. BC is equal to root over 3k. So BC is equal to root over 3k and BA is equal to k. Now according to Pythagoras theorem, according to Pythagoras theorem, what is the Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem is said that perpendicular square is equal to sum of, hypotenuse square is equal to sum of perpendicular square and base square. So here AC square is equal to BA square plus BC square. This implies the value of BA is k, so it will be k square, and value of BC is root over thrice k whole square. So it will be ultimately k square plus 3k square, because square and root will get cancelled out. So ultimately it will be 4k square. So the value of AC will be twice k. So now let me write here with different color. Let me write here with different color. It will be better. Now, so that means AC is equal to what? Twice k. Now sin A. Now the sin A is equal to what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. That means what? Root over thrice k by twice k, ultimately root 3 by 2, and sin A cos A. Now what is the value of cos A? Cos A means what? Cos A means base by hypotenuse. So what is our base? Base is BA, that means k by hypotenuse twice k. So it will be limiting 1 by 2. Now sin C. What is the value of sin C? Sin C, value of sin C. So when you consider this, so this, when you consider this angle sin C, this angle, then BC will be our what? BC will be our base and BA will be our perpendicular. Sin C means perpendicular by hypotenuse. So that means k by BA by BC, that means k by root 3 over 3k. Perpendicular by hypotenuse, right? So k by, this is our perpendicular by hypotenuse, k by 2s k. K by 2s k, ultimately it will be 1 by 2, and cos C, that means base by hypotenuse, that means root over 3k by 2s k, ultimately it will be root over 3 by 2. Ultimately it will be root over 3. Now question number 1. Now let's move on to question number 1. And this question number 1 is sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. So the value of sin A is what? Root over 3 by 2. Value of cos C is what? Root over 3 by 2. Root over 3 by 2. Value of cos A is 1 by 2. Value of sin C is 1 by 2. So ultimately it will be 4 over 3 into root over 3, that means 3 plus 1 by 4. So that means 4 LCM 3 plus 1, ultimately 4 by 4, that means equal to 1. Okay. Now number 2 is equal to 1. Okay. This means is equal to 1. Now number 2 it is cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. So if you put the value, what is the value of cos A? If you put the value of cos A, what is the value of cos A? The value of cos A, see here, the value of cos A is 1 by 2. The value of cos A 1 by 2. What is the value of cos C? The value of cos C root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. Minus, what is the value of sin A? The value of sin A is also root 3 by 2. What is the value of sin C? It is also 1 by 2. So ultimately it will be root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4. So it will be 0. So this is the solution of this equation of question. This is the solution of question number 9. Okay. This is the solution of question number 9. Still, I hope you don't have any doubt. Still, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. Okay. For today, up to this.